guys, autofanatic. I'm going to show you a 10-minute maintenance wash on my GT350. I pretty much have eliminated a lot of steps as far as getting stuff ready along the way, and I'm going to just show you a couple of things that we're going to use today. We're going to knock this thing out in 10 minutes. That's from foaming down the wheels to foaming down the car to power washing it to blow drying it with the Ego blower. So the wheel cleaner, my wheel cleaner, I keep in my IK foamer. So I pretty much mix and dilute this once every couple of weeks, and it sits in the foamer. I don't have to constantly redo it. And then prior to use, I just shake it up, re-aerate it, and good to go. Now, with the new Griot's Garage surface foaming wash that I'm incorporating into my wash now, I'm attaching the MTM PF22 directly to the bottle. Even though it's not a perfect fit, it's well enough to get the job done. And I have the metering valve in there, the purple metering valve, and we're going to foam the car down. We're going to let it dwell. We're going to hit all four wheels at once. We're going to power wash it off, and we're going to blow dry it and touch it up with a PFM towel, all in about 10 minutes flat. Like I said, I've been doing this every other day now, and it's made my life a hell of a lot easier by incorporating this new system here, where I don't have to mix into the MTM foam cannon, fill it with water, connect it. It's just eliminating a couple of steps by just attaching the PF22 directly to the bottle, blasting the car, and going to work. Same thing with having this already prepared. It eliminates a lot of time of spraying, mixing, agitation, all that good stuff. So let me get the camera off the car. I'm going to show you the condition of my car before we get started. All right, guys, I'm just going to give you a quick glimpse. You can see the wheels inside there. They're dirty. All down here, there's a lot of dirt on the plastic. Tail lamp panel, you guys can see that there. It's filthy all the way across. So this is a good indication, because sometimes the red doesn't show it as much. There's all dirt that's kicked up from driving in the rain, all on the bottom of the car, all mud over here. You guys can see that? So the car is dirty by my standard and by many standards. It's got to get washed. See all the dirt that's trapped in there? All right, guys, we're going to get started. I'm going to foam up all four wheels at once. We have more water in the solution, so we have about 1.5 gallons to 4 ounces of my wheel cleaner. It's going to give it enough dwell time and enough liquid solution so it's not going to dry in the wheels. We're going to foam it up, strap on the PF22, foam the car down. We're going to power wash it off and get this thing done in no time. Okay, all four wheels are foamed up. Now time for the fun stuff, guys. That's it, guys. I'm going to strap the camera on me, and we're going to power wash this guy off. All right, guys, here we go. And that's it, guys. You can see all the dirt runoff in the foam. Let me show you guys. Okay, you see that? It's all the crap that came off the bottom of the car, wheels, everything. So we knocked this out in around 5 minutes. Now we're going to dry it off. Let's dry it off. So guys, that's the my new 10-minute complete wash. Wheels, hit the tires with the AutoFanatic wheel cleaning foam, foam the car with the Griot surface wash. You saw it. I blew dry 95% of it off. I'm going to grab a PFM, touch it up, throw some tire dressing on, and we're done. So this just shows you can knock this stuff out in under 30 minutes. I just did it in about 10 minutes, possibly less. I got to go back and check the video, see how long it actually took. But for general maintenance, upkeep, grab your gear up, foam it up, do what I showed you here. You'll cut your maintenance washes in half, maybe even less than half, depending on how long you guys are taking already. But this is what I do. This is what I do 4 to 5 times a week. I very rarely have to agitate, and this car was driven in the rain for 4 days. Had a lot of mud and a lot of other stuff stuck to the bottom of it, but with the Griot surface wash, give it about a 3-minute, 4-minute dwell time. It just eats that stuff up, and you saw it on the floor. It just comes right off into the foam runoff. So any questions, comments, post it below. autofanatic@yahoo.com. Pick up the MTM foam cannon. It's a winner. Get the Griot's foaming surface wash. Get an Ego blower. Knock this job out in 10 minutes or less. You're going to be lifesaver. So that's pretty much it. So you can see the car is pretty much dry. A couple little drips here and there coming out from the headlights and from the jams. But I'm going to touch that up now. And this is pretty much a complete foaming wash in 10 minutes or less. See you soon.